Hi, John and Deborah, and everyone with Abraham Painting Company. This is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm just going to briefly go over a couple of things we can do with your website here, get it updated, start making it work better for you guys, and making the internet bring you some more business. So let's get started. I've got your website up here, and I like your logo right up here. I would make this click to call a little bit bigger. You can put it right over here, make it bigger, put it right here. Just make it bigger so it's easier as soon as your clients click on your website. The phone number is really big, right there in their face. They can click on it and get in touch with you. Some options for contact us, that's great. As we come down, we've got your services, which is wonderful as well. A little bit about why people should hire you guys. And then as we come down, we've got a little bit more information here and some more services that you guys offer, and a little more in depth about the services that you offer, which is nice. I would get this updated so that all of these have their own kind of pages with information. As soon as people click on them, it'll direct them to that page. As it comes down, it looks like maybe we've got some pictures from work you guys have done, some of your different clients. It's also great to have some testimonials and reviews on this homepage too, especially from these clients. If you guys can get those put on the homepage as well, it's always great. And then down here at the footer, different ways that your clients can connect with you, which is nice. So yeah, overall, I like the website. We could maybe slim it down a little bit, make it a little bit more scroller friendly, I guess, as we're coming through here, and more organized. But what Google really cares about is the content on this homepage, and they want to see you sitting between a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark of quality command content on this page. Now, in addition to that content, they want to see keywords sprinkled throughout it. Some of those keywords can be things like commercial painting, Dallas, Texas, which that particular keyword isn't found on this homepage at all. So that's something that we can get sprinkled in here, because what happens is when people are searching for your services in Google, Google's going to send crawlers through your website, reading all the content that's on here and looking for those keywords and phrases that people are typing in. And that's going to boost you guys up in the rankings and bring you up higher. So people are going to find your website first, which is going to lead them to you. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks, and backlinks is just a shout out from another website, and so Google just wants to make sure that any backlinks you have from other websites are trustworthy and relevant. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so we've got yours up here. And this is Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. You don't have to use this tool. There are free tools out there. This is just what I use to check them. It looks like you've got about 110 backlinks coming from 25 referring domains. Now, this right here, this UR and DR, this is your trust rating with Google. This is your power rating with Google. These are influenced by these backlinks. We want these numbers to be much higher, and we want them to be much closer. So the fact that our trust rating is only 14 and our power rating is 0 is letting us know that these backlinks that we do have aren't serving us very well. They're not very trustworthy, they're not very relevant, or they're not very powerful to what you guys offer. Now, I've also put in one of the top competitors in your area, Caraco Painting. I've put them into Ahrefs as well, and as we can see, their trust rating is a little bit higher. Their power rating is still low. They've got quite a few more backlinks from you guys, but again, the fact that these numbers are so low and so far apart is letting us know that not all of these backlinks are relevant, powerful, or trustworthy, so they're not serving a great purpose for these guys. Now, the other thing that I would look in while I was in here too, it is going to be these guys' organic keywords. They have 679 in comparison to your guys' 96. So I would explore in these keywords and kind of see maybe some that you don't have. And what you're looking for are buyer intent keywords. So things like commercial painting, Dallas, Texas, services that you offer, and the location that you offer them in. And so as we can see here, Dallas commercial painting has about 90 searches per month. Commercial painting Dallas, Texas has about 80 people searching per month. Commercial painters Dallas has about 80. So these are all buyer intent keywords that you guys want to make sure you're getting added to your website as well. And so having you guys update that content, update those buyer intent keywords. It's going to start helping you guys rank organically, and it's going to start increasing that traffic, which is then going to bring in more leads for you guys. Now, when we talk about organic ranking, we're talking about this area right here, and you want to be in this first, second, or third position. Now, the last thing that we'll touch on here really quick is this area right here. This is called the Local Map Pack or Google My Business. And to get here, we want to have a Google business profile, and we want to have it filled out complete. So we want to have our business's name, address, phone number, hours. You want to have reviews. You want to have pictures that are properly uploaded, geotagged with the correct alt text, all of that good stuff. We want to make sure it's filled out completely. Make sure you guys are asking for reviews from your customers and your clients. And then we want to have our citation in as many directories as we can. Now, a citation is just your business's name, address, phone number, and directories just include things like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, etc. And so what I would do is I would find all the directories that my top competitors are listed in, and I would get myself added in those exact same ones, and then I would go above and beyond that. If they're in 150, I'm going to get myself added into 250, 300, really blow them out of the water. And so getting that citation out there is going to get you guys ranked in this first, second, and third position up here, which is where quite a bit of the traffic comes from. And then improving that content, those keywords, and those backlinks is going to start getting you guys ranked in this organic section in this first, second, and third position. And when I did look, you guys are on the second page, so you're getting close, but a lot of our traffic just stops here on the first page in these first 3 spots. So we want to get on the first page all across the board. All right, that's all I've got for you guys. I hope that this was helpful. I really look forward to your feedback. Thanks.